Presenting the Kia 2020 Forte GT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic with auto-shift transmission, Bluetooth and clock, and dash. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.